You guys, I did it. I have the iPad. I cannot believe it. I was so scared I was not going to make it there when I was so far behind early on. But that Heart Breathing's writing community, all of the people that are running sprints that I was able to jump in on, or our whole community was able to jump in on, really saved me. Writing at night really helped me a lot too. It's not something I want to always do, but now that I've got some positive momentum, I'm planning to ride that all the way home. I did take a little bit of time to set up the stickers the way that I want them to. I've got this cool new Peachful High Demons one that's kind of like the high school that is in my Shadow Demon saga, and some of my favorite like games and anime and stuff like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm spending a self-care day on day 30. So I am going to set up my iPad. I'm going to binge watch some stuff. I'm going to go get a Starbucks and it's going to be awesome. But I finally got to open this up. And thank you so much for celebrating with me. Let me know in the comments if you did Nano, what you have rewarded yourself with, because it doesn't have to be something fancy like an iPad. It could just be simple like binge day, a trip out to get your nails done, an extra Starbucks. It could be some special like weekend away with your loved one. It could be just time to sit and do nothing but read for an entire weekend, or to binge watch your favorite show, or to finally play that video game you've been looking forward to. But it's good mentally after you've been working for a deadline, whether you technically hit the 50K or not, to reward yourself for doing your best and for trying and for getting words on the page. So even if you didn't hit as many words as you planned originally, go reward yourself now for a successful month. So one final vlog tomorrow to wrap it all up. And this will be the end of the Nano Diaries. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this, and I will see you tomorrow for our final vlog. All my love to you. Happy writing.